Morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, good morning, everyone. Okay, all of y'all, what did I ask y'all to keep with you? Your textbook and a pencil with you. Okay. So first let us continue. Good, very good. Good children. Okay. So let's continue our class. Once again, let's read. All of y'all can read together with me. What is there on the screen now? For solids, properties of solids. So they have a definite shape. They don't change shape when they are moved from one container to another. They don't flow. A pen, a book, a table, chair, they are all examples of solids. Then we moved on to liquids. So liquids don't have a definite shape and they take the shape of a container in which they are poured into. And liquids flow very easily. So water, milk and juice are examples of liquids. Okay, now we're moving on to properties of gases. So I told there are three forms of matter or three states of matter. So now the third one is gases. So we first learned about solids and liquids and now we'll come to gases. So gases, they don't have a shape of their own. Okay, so they fill up the space available in a container. Now let me show you what does that mean. Okay. Now, for example, all of y'all can see I'm having a glass of water, correct? Yes? All of y'all can see me? Okay. Now, this space that is empty here, can y'all see there's a space that's empty? See, only little water's there and there's space. So this space is where the gas fills up. So that is what it means. They fill up the space. Okay, they fill up the space that is available. Once again, I'll tell you. So first, they don't have a definite shape of their own. And they fill up the space that is available in a container. Now, in this container, everybody is entering. Okay. I don't want to miss anybody out because this science is very important. This chapter is very important. So now I have this glass of water and there is so much space that is available. So in this space, there is air that it takes the space of this container. So there is so much air and so much water that is present in this glass. Then coming to gases flow easily from one place to another or they go very easily. Okay, so that is what it means. Okay, then moving on to okay. Okay, so now they don't have a space or they don't have shape, and then they fill up the available space available in the container. Then gases flow very easily from one place to another. Then most gases can't see. Now I told you that there is air, okay, or there is gas that is filled up here. Okay, yes or no? Now tell me, now can you see it? Can you see the air that has taken the space that is available in this container? You can't see, I can't see. Can you see the air that you breathe? No. Okay, for example, you're going somewhere out and there is a breeze that comes. We know it is breezy. You can feel the breeze, but can you see the breeze? No, you can't see. Yes. So these are all gases or air. Okay. So air is a mixture of gases. Air is a mixture of gases. So mixture of gases in the sense we breathe in we breathe in oxygen, we give out carbon dioxide. What does the plant need? What air does the plant need? Let me see who will answer this. What air does the plant need? Okay, Michaela. Yes, Michaela.
Ma'am, they need carbon dioxide.
They need carbon dioxide. Very good. So all of y'all remember that air contains mixture of gases. And now coming from other, factories also. Yes, they give out, gases which are not good. So all these gases mix up in the air. So always remember that air is a mixture of gases. It can be blown into a balloon. How many of y'all have blown a balloon? Yes, all of us have blown a balloon, correct? So when you blow a balloon, it takes the shape of it, isn't it? Yes or no? It takes the shape of the balloon. Okay, so this is what we learned about gases. So one last time, let's read it together. I want to see all of y'all reading it. Okay, let's all read. They don't have a definite shape of their own. Then they fill up the space available in a container. Then gases flow from one place to another very easily. Most gases can't be seen. We can't see gases. And last is air is a mixture of gases. It can be blown into a balloon. Okay, so this is what gases are. So what are the three states or forms of matter? Let me see all of y'all if y'all are able to remember. Solids, liquids, and gases. All of y'all say it with me. Solids, liquids, and gases. Very good. Good children. All of y'all are repeating after me. Now let's see now we come to the last part. Now let's see what is matter and its uses. We all know matter is anything we see around us, be it a rock, be it a river, be it a chair, a table, all and everything that we see around us, both natural and man-made, are called what? Matter. So now let us see what is its uses. Now, matter has different roles to play in our life. Yes or no? Now we have a laptop. What is its role? It helps us to what? It helps us to see our, come online in class. Okay. Then, okay, for example, what is the role of a water bottle? It helps us to fill water and we can use it to drink. Yes. So like that, we use different kinds of things, both natural and man-made. So every day we use it. Yes or no? We use water. We use water every day, isn't it? Yes or no? Okay, I think I unmuted somebody by mistake. Okay. Mute yourself if I've unmuted. So we use water. Okay, it is not man-made, correct? Water is not made by man. And coming to your phone, it's made by man. So we use everything, both man-made and natural, every day. We use matter. Now, okay, it's not moving to the next one. 1 minute. Okay, all of y'all have come in, but only 51 I see today. Okay, anyway, next one. We use solids such as chairs, comb, table, books, your pencil, your pen, your textbook. All of that, we use it every day, isn't it? You sit on your chair every day, yes or no? You sit on your chair every day. So they are all solids that we see around us. Now, I see few of y'all haven't switched on your cameras. Why? I saw you in the last class. Please switch it on. It'll be more fun when I see all of y'all on camera. We can enjoy more. Okay, so this is what it is. These are solids. These are the few examples of solids. Then coming to water. Water is the most important liquid. What is water? Water is the most important liquid that we use every day. We need it every day. Yes, we drink, we have to wash our vessels, our mamas cook, so many things. Yes or no? Yes, if yes, show me thumbs up. Yes, they use it for cooking, cleaning, drinking, so many things. So remember, water, which is a liquid, is very important. Okay, then moving on, liquids such as petrol and diesel, they help the vehicle run. Yes or no? This is a liquid that helps the vehicles run, be it bikes, cars, huge vehicles, all of them need either petrol or diesel to run. Then the air around us, like I told you, is a mixture of gases. So, like for example, living things use oxygen present in air. So we are living things, the animals are living things, we use oxygen to breathe. Then carbon dioxide is used by plants to make their food and for them to be alive. So this is how the exchange of gas is happening every day. So remember, air around us is a mixture of gases. What are the two mixtures of gases? You can give me two examples, that is oxygen and carbon dioxide. Okay, then coming to air is used to inflate tires, balloons and football. Yes, all of us have gone with our parents or with your dad to the petrol bunk, and then there they fill up the air in the tire, isn't it? If it is less. And then coming to when you have to blow your balloons, you either use the air that you put, you blow it out, or you use a pump. And then coming to your football, your basketball, if there is no air, what happens? You pump in air that is needed. So we are very dependent to all forms of matter. What are we? We are very dependent. We need all types of matter in our lives. So what are the three forms of matter? Solids, liquids and gases. Very good. Okay, so now we're going to read the chapter. Let us read it quickly. Okay, so if you want to read, raise your hand. Okay, we'll begin with Swastik. Yes, Swastik, quickly read.
Okay, ma'am. We see different kinds of objects all around us. Things that present in nature and not made it by man are called nature things. They include plants, animals, and mountains, soil, air, river, rocks, and etc. They,
Therefore,
they can be living as well as non-living things.
okay.
Things that are okay.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Swastik. So this is what we are learning. So all of you listen carefully. Where is Yeshwin? Yeshwin. He's sitting with the virtual background. Remove all that first. Then you read quickly. Read the next two paragraphs. All of you pay attention. Yes.
Ma'am, should I read from they include, ma'am?
No. The second one, things that are man-made.
Things that are made by man for their use are called man-made things. Examples of man-made things are chair, table, clothes, and bucket. They are non-living things. What is common between natural and man-made things? Both natural and man-made things have mass and occupy some space. They are considered as matter. Therefore, everything around us is matter.
Okay. So I hope all of y'all are on page 81. Okay. Okay. Next, Eugen. Yes, Eugen. Read matter and its forms.
Matter and its forms. There are three forms of matter: solid,
Solid.
liquid, and gas. They are also known as three states of matter: the books, chairs, and tables in our home and schools,
The water,
the water that we drink, and the air around us are examples of the three forms of matter. Let us learn more about each form.
okay.
Property.
Thank you, Yugen. Okay, now I want Aditya read properties of solid. Where did you go? I unmuted you. Okay, give me a second. Please.
Solids have the following
Properties.
properties. They have a definite shape and size. They don't change the shape. They are moved from one container to another. They do not flow.
They do not flow. Next page. There is one last one on the top. Next page, page 82. A pen.
A pen, a book, a table, and a car. Examples of solids.
Okay, very good. Okay, now I want okay, I'm asking few of y'all to read for a reason. Okay, Zainab. Yes, Zainab. Read properties of liquids.
Properties of liquids. Liquids have the following properties. They do not have a definite shape. They take the shape of the container in which they are poured. Liquids follow easily. Water, milk, and
Liquids
flow easily. Water, milk, and juice are example of liquids.
Okay, very good. Zainab, mute yourself. Okay, now we're moving on to properties of gases. 1 minute. I'm searching for few of y'all. Why can't? Okay. Okay, Jared. Okay, Jared, read.
Properties of gases. Gases have the following properties. They do not have any shape of their own. They fill up all the spaces available in a container. Gases flow from one place to another very easily. Most gases cannot be seen. Air is a mixture of gases. It can be blown into a balloon.
Okay, it can be blown into a balloon. Okay, good. Now, can all of you see there's a green box which says questions? Yes? Questions. Okay, let us see what it says. So keep your pencils ready. Okay, it says, write S for solid, L for liquid, and G for gas. So now let us do it together. So if you know the answer, raise your hand. First one is apple. Tell me if apple is a solid or a liquid. Okay. Where did Ira go? Ira, tell me. First one is apple. Is it a solid, liquid, or gas? It is
Solid.
Very good.
Solid.
Solid. Good. So I want all of y'all to write the letter S there. Okay, write S next to apple. Okay, next one. Box. Tell me what is box. Okay, Amia. Yes, Amia. Tell me. Box is a solid, liquid, or gas?
Solid.
Solid. So again, all of y'all write S next to the word box. Okay. Then quickly you write. It's just one letter. Okay. Then coming to perfume. Is perfume a solid, liquid, or a gas? Okay. Okay. Nakshatra KV. Yes.
Ma'am, gas.
Gas. Yes. Very good. So perfume is a gas. So I want all of y'all to write G next to the word perfume. Then coming to sofa. Yes, Chetan. Yes, Chetan, tell me.
Ma'am, sofa is a solid.
Is a solid. Very good. Right, S next to sofa. I can ask the others who have switched off your cameras also, but I want to see all. Only then I will ask you. Okay. Then coming to juice. Coming to juice. Tell me if juice is a solid, liquid or gas. Kaylin. Kaylin, tell me.
Ma'am,
Juice is a
which one, ma'am?
the ninth one. Juice is solid, liquid or gas.
Liquid.
Very good. Liquid. I want all of y'all to write L next to the word juice. Okay. Then moving on to milk. Oh, we're supposed to come 1, 2, 3. Okay, no problem. Coming to milk. Tell me, is milk a solid, liquid or gas? Aratrika? Yes.
Liquid, ma'am.
Liquid. So write L next to the word milk. Coming to oil. Yes, Avadya, tell me, is it solid, liquid or gas?
Ma'am, it is liquid.
Very good. I want all of y'all to write the letter L next to the word oil. Okay. Then coming to clock. Yes, Rizal, tell me, is clock a solid, liquid or gas?
Solid.
Okay, solid. Very good. Then,
Ma'am,
yes,
is what? How many types of airs are there? Like,
okay, we have mainly 2 airs that are present, that is oxygen and carbon dioxide. Now, because you mute yourself, yeah. Now, because there are a lot of gases coming out from the factories also. For example, they make something, so they emit gas, they give out gas, no? So when these gases get mixed up in the air, so we can say there are many gases that are mixed up in the air. Okay, then coming to 8, smell of food. Is smell of food a gas, solid or a liquid? Okay, who wants to tell me? Okay, Daksh. Yes, Daksh, tell me.
Ma'am, it's an gas, ma'am.
Very good. It is a gas because we can't see it. Okay, last one. Write G next to smell of food. Write the letter G. Then coming to potato. Last question here. Coming to potato. Tell me what is potato?
Solid.
Okay. Who's that who answered? I'll give others a chance. Okay, Ethan. Yes, Ethan. Tell me.
Ma'am, my name is Nathaniel.
Nathaniel. Sorry. I just saw only Nathan there, so I called you Nathan. Okay, tell me, Nathaniel.
It's solid.
It is solid. Very good. So all of y'all write S next to the word potato. Okay. So this was a first small revision. Okay. Now let us continue and read matter and its uses. I want you all to continue. Let's read matter and its uses. There are 3 points. Might be somebody can read the first paragraph, first point, and the other person can read 2 points. Okay, Kirtana. Yes, Kirtana.
yes, ma'am. Matter and its use. Matter has different roles in our daily life. We use different kinds of things, both natural and man-made, are every day. Let us have a look a few examples. We use various salts such as chair, tumbles, book,
Utensils.
utensils, and
Stage.
certain items.
Okay, thank you.
Should I continue?
Thank you. Okay, next I want Drishya to read. Yes, Drishya, read the next 2 points quickly.
Water is the most important liquid needed by us. We use it for drinking, cooking food, cleaning, and other household tasks. Liquids such as petrol and diesel are used to run vehicles. The air.
The air.
Ma'am, should I read the air also?
Yes, the air.
The air around us is a mixture of gases. Living things use oxygen present in the air for breathing. Carbon dioxide is used by plants to make their food. Air is used to inflate balloons, tires, and footballs. Therefore, we are dependent upon all forms of matter. Some more examples are shown below.
Okay. Thank you, Drishya. Okay, now we're moving on. I want Sanvi. Sanvi, she's looking somewhere else. Okay. Sanika. Yes, Sanika. Read the first 3 points of wrap up. Okay, and then we'll move on to the last 3. Yes. All of y'all pay attention. Now we're going to have a small revision. I want to see if all of y'all have paid attention. Yes.
Substances
Any
that-
substances that occupy.
substances that occupy space and has mass is called matter. The tree
State.
stands for matter are solid, liquid, and gas. Solids have a definite shape.
Okay. Thank you, Sanika. Sorry.
Ma'am.
Now, we're coming to the next 3 points. No, we have next 3 points. Okay, Arnav. Anand. Yes, you can read.
Okay, fine. Which one should I read, ma'am?
From liquids.
From liquids. Okay, fine. Okay, liquids do not have a definite shape and take the shape of the container.
Gases.
Different things exist in different from in our school, home, and in our surroundings.
Okay, you missed out the other point. Gases do not have.
Do not have a shape of their own. Gases flow easily.
Okay, good. Thank you. So this was, we read the chapter. So the chapter comes to an end here. Now, all of you close your books. Close your textbooks. Okay. Close your textbooks and raise 2 hands. So I know that you have closed your textbook. Let me see. Okay, very good. So now we're going to have a small revision. Okay. So we'll play boys versus girls. Okay, before that, let me play the solids and liquids game. Yes, okay. So show me the action for solids. Fast. Okay, liquid. Okay, gas. Gas is like this, round. Okay. Okay. Fine. Let us begin. Now I'm going to watch. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Solids. Liquids. Gas. Okay. Liquids. Liquid. Solid. Okay, gas. Solid. Liquid. Solid. Gas. Solid. Liquid. Gas. Okay, last we'll all do together. Solid, liquid, and gas. Okay, very good. Now let's have a small revision. Okay, so again we'll play boys versus girls till how much time we Have. Okay. Yes. Okay. First question. Okay. We'll begin with the girls. It is not a form of water. Okay. Water, ice, ink, water vapor. So tell me which is something that is not related to water. Okay. Tikshna. Yes, Tikshna. Tell me.
Ma'am, ink.
Ink. Very good. Okay. Next one. Girls, you get this point. Mute Tikshna. Next one. For the boys, it is not a liquid. Milk, ink, water, table. Okay, very easy. Okay, Jonathan. Yes, Jonathan. Tell me. So who's this on the screen?
Ink, ma'am.
1 minute. 1 minute. We are playing a game. I want you all to be interested in this. That's why I play games. Okay. It is not a liquid. Milk, ink, water, I'm okay. Who's this who's doing it again? Y'all are big children. I don't want to repeat. I will not play the game then from next time. Your whole class will not play then. Okay? Please don't do that. It's disturbing for me. I don't want to tell y'all because y'all are big children. See, now you wasted 2 minutes of my time. Okay, next one. It is not a liquid. Milk, ink, water, table. Tell me. Jonathan, tell me. What is not a liquid? It is not a liquid. It is?
Ink, ma'am. Ink.
Ink is not a liquid. Boys, I'm shifting the points to the girls. Okay, let me see if girls get the answer right first. Okay. Okay, Amia, tell me, Amia. Yes.
It's stable.
It is stable. Girls get 1 point and they're 1 point ahead. Coming to boys, it is not gas. Okay, it is not a gas. Not a gas. So steam, watch, smoke or air. Boys. Okay, Ritvik. Yes, Ritvik, tell me.
Ma'am, watch.
Watch. Very good. Boys get this point. Moving on to the next question. What is the state of water? So you should tell me whether the state of water is liquid, gas, solid or all of these. So Zainab, yes Zainab, tell me.
Ma'am, liquid, ma'am.
Liquid, very good. Girls are leading. Next, moving on to, they have a definite shape and size. They have a definite shape and size. Is it solids, liquids, gases, or none of these? Okay, Adna. Yes, Adna.
None of these.
They have a definite shape. Okay, I'll shift this to the girls. Okay, Michaela. Yes, Michaela, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the answer for this. They have a definite shape and size. Is it solid, liquid, gases, or none of these?
Solid.
It is solid. So they have a definite shape. Girls are leading. Okay, next one for the boys. They can flow easily. They can flow easily. Is it table, solids, liquids, or smoke? Okay, Ayush, tell me.
Ma'am, liquids.
Okay, it is liquid. Boys get this point. Next one. Most dash can't be seen. Most dash can't be seen. So is it gases, chair, liquids, or solids? Okay, Rahel. Yes, Rahel, tell me.
Ma'am, gases.
Gases. Okay. Next one for the boys. Solids, liquids, and gases are the 3 states of dash. Maths, water, pen, or matter. What is the right answer? Okay, who answered now? Boys or girls answered? Tell me somebody. Boys. Okay, so girls will answer. Okay. Kankshita? Yes, Kankshita, tell me. What is the answer for this? And unmute. Not able to? Okay, I'll ask somebody else. You just check. Okay, Disha and Dwani. Both of you tell me at the same time.
Matter.
Okay, very good. Matter. Good. Next. Dash is used by plants to make food. Dash is used by plants to make food. This is for the boys. Oxygen, matter, carbon dioxide or milk. Avadya, yes. Okay, tell me.
Okay. Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide. Very good. Next question. Dash take the shape of the container. Liquids, gases, solids or juice. Okay. Who will answer this? This question is for the girls. I'm searching the girls. Okay. Okay. Aratrika, yes, tell me. Quickly.
Liquid.
Liquid. Okay, very good. So this was our small revision because it says less than 1 minute. Okay, last time solids. Liquids. Gases. Okay. So make sure you learn this lesson thoroughly. Don't forget the actions and the examples. Okay. So I'll be sending you a PDF so you can write the question and answers down with the right spelling. Okay. Very important. Yes. Okay. So you can all leave the class and make sure you keep the chapter.
Ma'am.